One sunny afternoon, 9-year-old David was playing tag with his friends in the park. At lunchtime, he noticed his shadow was just a small, stubby shape right beneath his feet. But later, as the sun began to set, he saw his shadow stretch out like a giant, racing him across the grass. Confused, he looked at his long, skinny shadow and wondered, why does my shadow get really long in the evening, but is super short at lunchtime? That evening, David decided to investigate. He grabbed a flashlight and his favorite astronaut action figure. He imagined the bright flashlight was the sun, and the little astronaut was him standing in the park. He turned off the lights in his room to make it dark, creating his own mini-universe on the floor. First, David held the flashlight directly over the astronaut's head, shining the light straight down. He saw a tiny dark circle right under the figure's feet, just like his shadow at lunchtime. Then, he slowly lowered the flashlight to the side of the astronaut near the floor, just like the sun when it's low in the sky at sunset. Suddenly, the astronaut's shadow stretched all the way across the room, becoming incredibly long and thin. David's eyes widened with understanding. It wasn't magic, it was science. Your shadow's length depends on the position of the sun in the sky. When the sun is high overhead at noon, the light shines straight down on you, creating a short shadow. But when the sun is low on the horizon in the morning or evening, its light hits you at an angle, stretching your shadow out and making it very long.